everyone, welcome or welcome back if you are new here. My name is Niusha, and as always, it's amazing to have you here. We are going to look into the Slavic Legends Tarot. This is by Tarotica Studio, and let's just a moment, let's admire this beautiful box. It's like books. Very beautiful. Look at the details. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. The Slavic Legends Tarot is inspired by Slavic gods, legends, and culture. We have 78 beautiful hand-drawn tarot cards inside this beautiful box, and this is illustrated by Magdalena Kastan. And as I said, is produced by Tarotica Studio, which I will put the link below in the description. So, such a beautiful box, isn't it? Lovely. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is the beautiful bag. Very nice black edge in matte. And we have this silverish bluish background on the back. That is so beautiful. So one thing to mention, Tarotica Studio usually produce their decks in different versions, standard tarot size and larger size. Also with different paper quality, either glossy or like this one matte, and also with different edge colors, either gold or black, and also different back of the card. So please check their website if you are interested in this deck and find the right one for you actually. So as I mentioned, and this is a standard tarot card size, very high quality, and it has this finished silk matte lamination. It's not shiny and soft and very lovely to touch. So let's start our journey into this deck and enjoy each beautiful card one by one. Believe me, they are so beautiful. So this deck doesn't come with a physical guidebook. However, we have a digital guidebook available only for major arcana. I think they will release the minor arcana later, but it's still amazing to have a guidebook for major arcana. Let me find a major arcana. And I have a major arcana. Please, 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 please. Okay, the chariot. So the artwork is amazing. Let's switch to the page. Let's check for chariot. And here. So the chariot. The protagonist of the chariot card is Baba Yaga, a character appearing in Slavic legends and fairy tales known as a fearsome witch. Baba Yaga is depicted as an old woman with a terrifying and unusual appearance. She is often described as a hunched figure, wearing rags with missing teeth and a distinctive hat. Her recognizable feature is also her extraordinary houses, which are mounted on chicken legs and can rotate. Interesting. In Slavic legends, Baba Yaga is portrayed as an independent and powerful figure. She is sometimes depicted as the ruler of the forest or a witch associated with nature and magical powers. She often has the ability to predict the future and use magical objects. Baba Yaga often plays the role of a tester or adversary in stories. Meeting her is often a trial that the hero must undergo to achieve their goal. At the same time, in some tales, she may provide the hero with helpful advice or gifts if they are needed. Her character and behavior are usually unpredictable, sometimes cruel and dangerous, and other times helpful and mysterious. She is often associated with danger and evil, but her character also symbolizes wisdom, magical knowledge, and the tests that must be overcome on the path to achieving goals. Baba Yaga is one of the most well-known figures in Slavic mythology and folklore. Her stories and image have survived for centuries, inspiring numerous fairy tales, stories, and artworks. There are many variations of her story and many different aspects associated with her character. However, her role as a dark witch and mysterious figure in Slavic legends is widely known. Such a beautiful story. I'm so happy to have this guidebook. It really feels like reading a storybook, and I always like to learn new things. And now through this deck, and I can get familiar with the Slavic legends and fairy tales and folklore stories. Lovely. I hope you enjoyed this deck, and let me know what do you think about it. Are you interested to buy this deck, or maybe you have it even and you can share your thoughts about it. Until next time, please stay safe, healthy, and on top of everything, always happy. Bye bye.